In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit images in InVideo. First, start by logging into InVideo so you're on your dashboard and ready to work. From there, open your project so the canvas and timeline appear. This is where all your edits will happen. Once the project is loaded, click on the image you want to edit. Selecting it will highlight the image on the canvas and reveal the editing controls around it, along with options in the top toolbar. To change the size of your image, use the four corner handles. Click and drag a corner inward to make the image smaller or outward to make it larger. Keep an eye on how the image looks as you scale. Maintaining its proportions helps prevent distortion and keeps things visually clean. If you need to reposition the image, simply click and drag it to the desired spot on the canvas. Aim for balanced placement. Try to leave even margins, align with other elements, or frame your subject so it feels intentional and polished. Next, look at the top toolbar for more precise editing. The crop option lets you trim away parts you don't need and tighten your composition. Drag the crop edges to focus on your subject, reduce empty space, or reframe a distracting edge. After cropping, you'll still be able to make further adjustments if you need to fine-tune. While you're in the top toolbar, open the color adjustments. Here you can refine brightness, contrast, saturation, and warmth to match the rest of your video. Small tweaks often make a big difference. Lift shadows for clarity, deepen contrast for punch, or tone down saturation to keep colors natural and consistent across scenes. If your image has a background you don't want, use the Remove Background option. This is especially useful for product shots, portraits, or logos. Once removed, check edges for a clean cutout and place the subject over a solid color, gradient, or another graphic for a professional look. To enhance style and depth, click the Effect button. Add a subtle shadow to separate the image from the background, or try blending modes to integrate it with the layer beneath. Adjust intensity so effects support the design rather than distract from it. Finally, you can add animations from the top toolbar. Choose an entrance or exit motion, set the timing, and keep it smooth and purposeful so the movement guides attention without overwhelming the scene. And that's it. Log in, open your project, select your image, resize and position it, crop thoughtfully, adjust colors, remove the background if needed, add effects, and finish with clean, tasteful animations.